video we move to 2.15, talking about the business use case, including the business actor and the business use case. These two types of the notation. So we learned in the use case diagram. If you look at this demo sample, it's for the actor, for the use case. The only difference is in the most right area or the right corner of the head is they have this slash line that will show to the audience this is our business actor, that is our business use case. But before we go to the samples, the sample itself is very easy. We just try to use our keywords, character to make this notation with that the lines. But first is I hope is we can get some understanding about what is the business use case and why we use that business use case for model and making that the difference. So I give you our the reference link. You can find this Google for some other definitions, but from this SWI group, they publish one the RUP, Rational Unified Process. Within that is there's the interesting the guidelines to give you some the business use case information, which you can use this as a reference. So first, this is our very huge guideline documents. Is talking about the unified process, provide best practice and guideline for successful software development. You can learn this as another huge library because they're talking about the life cycle of the software, the development with those different phases. But what I want to introduce to you is if you expand the guideline, here is the guidelines. Or maybe I think it's we can have a search. So business use case. No, it's not coming. So I think it's, I didn't try this search, but actually you can have, here is a big library, so you can go to the glossary directly. So from here, go to this B, then you can find this here. So this actually is what I want to show you is one is this business use case, the classic, and here is the business use case model. So a model of the business intended function. So business use case is defined as a set of the business use case instance, where each instance is a sequence of actions or business performed that yield an observable result for value of a particular business actor. So we can click this one. Then does this go to the business use case instance. So here that is the for the glossary. So you can get, and I think it's index. So you can also go to this business. Let me see is where the business use case model is here. So activity model, checkpoint of these models. So whether I can have the guidelines for those. Oh yeah, that is. You see here business use case. The process of business defined as a number of the different business use cases, each of which represent a specific workload of business. Just from the UML, the recommendation or suggestion part, you can see here is on the standard this notation. Here is our this slash line. Then with this differentiation, the people know is now you are talking about a business actor and our business use case notation. So that is just for the there is a drawing or diagramming perspective, you may see that difference. But back to our this diagramming perspective, it's very easy. If you add a slash, then that will convert the standard or default those icon or notations to this business context. So let's directly go to our sample. So first is this one is, let me put, it should be 0, not 14. And then let me also create this 15, 0, 2, 15. Let's make it first. This slash is right after the name. So let me see the first use case. Let's combine this number 1 and 2 together, because first they just give you the different use case, and second is the different actor. Let's just try. So if you don't do anything, it's just, you just have our default use case notation. Just add our slash, then it's coming to here. Then this is our business use case from the notation perspective. Another use case, and we have slash and s uc2. That is the second way you can define, and also we can use the keywords use case and define that as the UC3, and this slash is added in the end of this keywords use case, and also use case. If I put that waiting for a name, so we can have this slash n. That is a backslash actually, so I just call that also a slash. But when we have both back and the normal slashes, we need to distinguish that. So as UC4. So now you can see here is you can make a multi-line, single line, and also you use our alias and you use keywords. So those are the use case. Exactly same is when you build this actor. So first actor. So with this double colon, you build this actor here. Right after that is you have a backslash. Is this come to our business actor. So the second way is we can have double lines. So for the text is another, and we have our slash n, and then the actor with this colon. Then we can have our slash, and that will be our business actor. And also you can have our keywords followed with this slash and give a name, women. Then you have this one, and also keywords with our this standard name with the alias. So the last actor as person 1. So you can also put this as is A2. So then that is the same as you like this second this use case. So all of those are now is treated as the business state, the use case. Let me see. So we have this 12.179. So let's go to this here. So whether we have some, whether we can find that 12179 business use case. So that is the one use case, business use case with a multi-line. So does not work when allow mixing. So here, but not with a business case. So use case. So days is 12179 is this one. So will it be one day possible to do business use case diagram in PlantUML? Is 2020, and there should not be too difficult to implement on 2020. And then after that is it's like this. Exactly is what I'm doing here, and I think it's started input from the October of 2020 is enabled this feature. So you can let me go make this also into our mind map. So then, well, we can refer to this one. So business use case. So I just add this link. So you can directly go to here, and I highly recommend it is when you have got time, you can go through this unified process, because that is you can have some more reference information is how this business use case is embedded into one the life cycle process, the methodologies. Okay, with that is we have done this 2.15 on both actors and use case for business context. Next one is we will talk about some the styles like color, like is the inline style for arrow, and following that is we will discuss about the styles and the colors for element. So see you in the 2.16. Bye for now.